6/7 BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing.
Good morning, it's me, Mikey Pipes. Friday morning, I think it's June 11th, 2021. Had a great night last night. My brother made a bat mitzvah for his daughter. So it was a great night. My voice is gone, but in any case, I woke up around 5:15 this morning, and I get a text from the other Mike that please call me. I'm like, uh-oh. You're texting me at 5:15 in the morning. Please call me. Something's not right. I know he's got some unfortunately health issues with some family members, but I call him up and he tells me that the neighbor's garage burnt down to the ground last night, well, this morning, and he's been up since 2 o'clock in the morning. And of course, it took the brand new Sprinter and a few other cars and a few other garages with it. Yep, I'll show you some pictures right here. Crazy stuff. Thank God no one was hurt. And huge shout out to our first responders, the fire department and the police, law enforcement who came and put out the fire quickly. And thank God no one was hurt. You know, you could replace anything man-made could be replaced, but you can't replace health. So it is what it is. And I am on my way solo this morning to install a dual Fujitsu system for a client, and I'm gonna bang it out myself. We'll see how that works out. It's a little before 8 a.m. I'll take some footage along the way, and we'll get it done. All right, stay tuned. All right, it's 8:40 in the morning. Let me show you what I got done so far. There is my dual zone condenser. I gotta tell you, the wall, it's like, I don't know, it's like butter. Literally, it's like butter. So I put every single screw in there, leveled it out with the feet. That's right down there. Very, I'm questioning that a lot, but I put every single screw in. Every single screw, or bolt, lag bolt, into the wall. And I just hung my first bracket, which is, there's the pilot hole for the first bracket in this bedroom there. Another bedroom's right there. I'm putting the unit above that window, and this is the back bedroom. So the unit's gonna come down. I'm gonna use one line set cover, the 100 mm, come straight down, boom, right to there. Perfect. All right, I need to have a drink of water. Okay, let me show you what I did inside so far. By the way, I love these. The spider, oh my God. I call this the opener, right? So I am gonna use this size right here. I'm gonna put that on there with this, and I'm gonna drill out the hole. All right, I got a drop cloth down here, my step stool. There's the bracket. There's my pilot hole. I'm gonna use the opener, make that bigger, vacuum up the mess in the process. One-handed with the drill, one hand with the vacuum, minimize dirt and dust. All right, stay tuned. All right, there's my hole. How's your hole? All right, getting it done. Here's my first unit. I drilled a hole. I put some electrical tape on the drain hose, at the end of the drain hose and the stub outs, the 3/8 and 1/4 inch. Ran my electric wire through the hole, through the unit first, and then picked this whole thing up from the bed and using my head, got it right in there. And I'm just going to do the electric, black, white, red, and ground. And then we'll hang the other room. All right, didn't really get much of a chance or opportunity to record the whole line set process installation. But let me show you the wiring and the vacuuming procedures. Here's my vacuum pump. Here's my Testo 557S. I'm at 373 microns and dropping. Been running for about 10 minutes, as you can see. I have my 410A adapters on circuit A and circuit B. The 2 hoses going to my Testo. I put the Testo micron gauge right there. And I got all these open. All right. And we're pulling it out of vacuum. I might have messed up which one is which. This one I know is the first one that I did, almost 99% positive, which is circuit A, which is my 9,000 BTU unit. I'm pretty positive I took this wire and put it there, which was the first one. This was the second one, A and B. But for now, I just have it wired to circuit A. I am going to finish the vacuum. Oh, let me close the gas valves. Let's see, there you go, good stuff. And we're going to isolate this by doing this. All right, and let's see how high it jumps up. So she's jumping up. Let's see if she stabilizes and then goes back down. No, still going back up. So let's open this back up. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Those I know are pretty tight. At least they should be. Okay, I'll let that go back down again, and I'll close this. They're still jumping back up. All right, let the vacuum run for longer. Testo, I'm not happy. All of my valves are closed, right? Yet she still increases. POS. Bad Testo. Bad Testo micron gauge. All right, I just opened up all of the service valves. I used that number right there. This one. I used this one. I can't tell you what number it is what size it is because it's worn away. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna put these on, the caps that go on the service valves, and use my crescent wrench to tighten them up, make sure they're nice and snug. And then we're gonna power on and make sure that the first unit I did, which is that one up there, that one, make sure she cools. Oh, I'm wrong. The first one I did was the 7, and the 7 went to circuit A, right? And that, I think, is this wire. We're gonna find out. But the first unit I did was the 7,000, all right? And then I did that one. So let's go see. I'm gonna go to the remote, put the batteries in, and hopefully she turns on and hopefully she cools. The big thing is, will she cool properly? Dum. Nope, I messed up. A and B are reversed. And we get an error. See that? Because it's the wrong communication. All right, so this set was on A, This wasn't connected yet, so I just took from circuit A and brought it over to circuit B. Black, white, red, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. And then I wired this one up to unit A. So now we'll go back to the thermostat after plugging in the disconnect and make sure that the respected unit cools off. All right, busy day, busy day. So I started this ductless dual Fujitsu system at a little after 8 a.m. I had the keys in the ignition at 12:40-ish. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So almost about 5 hours. 5 man hours on site to install a dual Fujitsu ductless mini split system. Not bad, not bad. Then I proceeded to do a service call in Rosedale, Queens by JFK. And then I went to Ferguson to pick up some piping and material that I needed for Monday's Lochinvar Noble Fire Tube Combi install. That's gonna be fun because I have the Lochinvar rep coming to help me, start up and commission the system. It's gonna be great. I've been in daily contact with them. And, we text all the time. It's great. I'm really looking forward to developing a great relationship with them and installing some phenomenal machines. And, excuse me, my voice is still a little bit out, but what's even more crazier, well, not even crazy, it's just the level of education that Lochinvar puts out. They have Lochinvar University. It's online training. They have a whole bunch of modules, video modules, and you take a module, you take a test, and regardless of their models, they detail methods on cleaning the burners, doing a combustion test, building management systems, you name it, they talk about it. But one common thing between all their models is that when you put the system back together, you want to do a leak test to make sure that the burner seal is airtight and is not leaking any combustion gases. Just calling a spade a spade. So I'm really looking forward to my first Lochinvar Noble Fire Tube Combi. We're installing it on the North Shore Monday. Me and Mike, one truck. We're taking out a Whale McLean power vented 4-section with a 40-gallon indirect. I got a piece of 3/4 plywood. We painted it black, and it's gonna be fire. This system's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be sick. I am so looking forward to it, and I never actually painted plywood black before, so it's really gonna pop when you have this awesome machine with the color display on it and all the copper piping with the Viega fittings and the Webstone isolation valves and my Takeo 0015E circulators. It's really gonna pop, and I cannot wait to install this. It sucks that I'm down from 2 trucks to 1 truck, but it's already on order, brand new Sprinter. And I made some modifications to the shelving and racks package because I saw some deficiencies with Mike's brand new Sprinter that just got delivered in February of 2021. But working with Rally Mercedes, they're in Roslyn, which is literally less than like a mile from where Monday's job is gonna be. It's not gonna be ready Monday, the truck, but hopefully in 2 weeks it'll be ready and it's gonna come wrapped. I'm not gonna waste time. It's gonna be wrapped and ready to go, and proudly gonna be displaying Lochinvar boilers on it. Stay tuned to Monday's video. I have a bunch of videos that I took over the past couple days that I'm gonna post over the weekends because I know you guys like to be fed. I know you're hungry, and Mikey Pipes loves to feed you. So I'm just saying, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, support the channel. That's the best way to support the channel, is by thumbsing up and subscribing. Thank you so much. Let me get your thoughts, feedback, and comments down in the comment section down below, and your constructive criticism. If I'm doing something that needs improvement that maybe I'm not aware of, I welcome the criticism. I really do. Just don't be a troll, you know. Just keeping it real. All right, have a great day. Be well, be safe.